A wooden block with a volume of 5,000 cubic centimeter is submerged. What is the buoyant force if the block is pushed in the water? As you can see, we are given with only single value of 5,000 cubic centimeter. But is it the only value given in this problem? By inspection, we can say that the block is pushed into water, and water is the fluid inside this container. Water has the density of 1000 kilograms per cubic meter. We can also recall that the buoyant force is equal to the weight of the displaced water, or simply the buoyant force is equal to the mass times gravity. We all know that gravity is 9.8 meter per second squared. Now, we are lacking for mass. How can we solve for mass? By using the formula of density, which is equals to mass over volume, we can solve for the mass by simply arranging it, and we can obtain this formula of mass is equals to density times volume. We are given with a volume of 5,000 cubic centimeter. However, we need for this cubic centimeter be turned into cubic meter. Upon searching, I knew that 1 cubic meter is equals to 1,000,000 cubic centimeter. Why? Because a cube like this, for example, is a measurement of length times the width times the height, which is the volume. We know for a fact that 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. So if we are going to cube both sides, we can get the numbers or the values just like what I've said a while ago. Now, as for converting this 5,000 cubic centimeter into the meters, by using dimensional analysis, we can say that the unit in the top part should be always the same with the unit below. Just copy the value and its respective conversion factor. Now, by calculating this, we can say that the cubic centimeters are now cancelled, and we are left with 0.005 cubic meter, or 5 times 10 raised to negative 3 meters cubic meters. Now, this is the new volume, converted volume. Can we get the mass now? Of course we can, simply by multiplying the density to its volume of 0.05 cubic meter multiplied by 1000 kilograms per cubic meter. We can obtain the mass, which is equivalent to 5 kilograms. As I said a while ago, the buoyant force is equals to the weight of the displaced water. We do have the weight, or we do have the mass, and of course the gravity is 9.8, so what we need to get, multiply it both. Now we can get the buoyant force, which is equals to 49 newtons, or 49 kilograms meter second squared, or 49 newtons. As for checking, we can say that the density for buoyant force is also equals to the density of the fluid times the volume of the object times gravity, 9.8 meter per second squared, times the volume, which is 0.05 cubic meter, times the density of the fluid, which is 1000. We can still get the same answer of 49 newtons. Now, woods have density of 650 kilograms per cubic meter, which is less than the density of water, which is 1000 kilograms per cubic meter. Therefore, we can say that the wood will float in water. Thank you.